join me for my very first official unboxing video. And I just go get a wavy all the way from Lagos. Here it is, from my personal fashion brand. From my very personal fashion brand, C4 Fashion Bliss. Here is her package, and here is her logo, her business name, all the way from Lagos. And this is my name and my personal information. And she's making a lot of outfits for me. Yes, a whole lot of them. And she just sent me this while I wait for that. So join me as I unbox this. And this is my very first unboxing video. Yes, thank you guys for joining. Let's go. Let's see what's here. Let's see what we have here. This. I see a lot of goodness here. Let's see what we have here. Oh my god. Oh, this. I think this is a top. Look at it. These two pieces. This is another 2 pieces. And then another 2 pieces. Okay, I think this one there are the office. Yes. Yes. So this is what we have here. I'm excited, guys. I'm excited because this is my very first unboxing video, and I always know that anytime I'm getting goodies from this my personal brand, she's my sister, my friend, she's my love, my personal person, and I always throw this brand because they don't fall my hand. So look at what we have here. Oh my goodness! Let's see. Okay. Wow. Here is the shirt. Yes, this is the shirt. Then this is the trouser. Okay, this comes with 2 shirts. Okay, this is sleeve. Wow, these are amazing. And this is the trouser. Oh my god, wow. This is the trouser. Seriously, this is so amazing. And I just took my measurement here in Edo State, and I sent the measurements to her via WhatsApp, and she made this for me, and this is perfectly my size. I think the only adjustment now is the trouser is a bit longer than me, and I made it that way, so I could make that. I think I'll have to take it to this extent a little. I don't know if you guys can see. Seriously, this is amazing. This is so amazing. I love the outcome. I love the top. Yes, perfect. It's perfect. Check it out now. Check it out. And yes, I can choose to dress it this way as well. Check it out. Just check it out. Check out this gorgeousness. Just imagine me on this outfit with my shoe. Yes, just imagine me on my shoe and this outfit. Just take a look. It's so cute. So let me try out the other top on this, honey. Okay, guys. Honey, come help me out with the button. See, as the one and this one, and check out the beauty. And the funniest thing, I took my measurement from here because she has been the one making all my dresses. Yes, both my English and my native wear. She's the one making them for me. And this one, and since I started my work, so I just told her I need some material, I need some outfits, and this I don't even need to shape the trouser, the shirt, everything is perfect. Just the trouser, just need to fold the leg a little, and if I'm wearing it, I can wear it with it, just to fold it up a little. And this is amazing. Yeah, this is a trouser. I think a black trouser. This is a navy blue trouser. This is a black trouser, and oh my god, it's 2 tops. Look at the trouser. And this is the top. This is one. I think this is the purple top, and this is another. Let me try this out, and I'll be right back, guys. Guys, at this point I'm short of voice. Guys, just check this out. Just check this out. Check this out. Just imagine wearing this one on his and my cute handbag. Yes, walking like this to the office. Just imagine that. No NYC, you did not try. Why did you take me to this local school? Just imagine, guys. Just check this out. C4 fashion bliss. What did I do to deserve this? I never knew you love me this so much. Just check this out. Check this out. Check this out, guys. Just okay, let me catwalk for you. Catwalk for you guys. This material she used for this top stretches. Guys, just check this beauty out. Check this out, man. Check out this trouser. I don't think I have anything to do on this trouser. This trouser is perfect for me, right? So perfect. Just check this out, man. Guys, check it out. This is my outfit for Monday. Settled. No two ways about that. Yes, it's a peplum top. Just check it out. Check it out. Check out the gorgeousness of it. Let me take it back a little. Just check this out. I never knew you love me like this. What did I do to deserve all of this cuteness, all of this pampery? Guys, in case you don't know, C4 is my sister. Yeah, she's my sister-in-law, and she's in Lagos. She has been the one making all my outfits for me, and she's an international fashion designer. Yes, she normally sew clothes sent to people in different countries, and she's so good at what she does. Yes, she's good at it. All my outfits, she's the one sewing them for me. All of my outfits, she's the one. Even from when I was in Abuja, she would send her wavy. In fact, my husband will appreciate her brand name is, you can go check her out on Instagram, C4 Fashion Blaze. You can go check her out. She has a whole lot of goodies out there. Thank you so much, guys. So let me quickly do this off camera, and I'll be right back. Yes, check out this gorgeous baby girl that I am. Thank you for always pampering me as the baby girl that I am, and as the last born that I am. Yes, she pampered me a whole lot. But for the navy blue, where is it? For this navy blue, I will have to go. For the trousers, I will have to go slim fit them and shape it then, because I have started my weight loss journey. I've lost a lot of weight, and she used my previous measurement to make these clothing for me. The tops fit perfectly. It's only the trousers I will have to work on, or like on my waist and the side of the trouser, they are a little bit bigger, so I will have to go work on that part of the trouser, but every other thing is perfect. You guys to check out the finishing. Yes, inside some persons will just leave it all rough, but in her case she will always perfect it. Like she will perfect it down to this design on it. She perfected it as well. All her outfits, and I love this black. Like this black have this shiny vibe is giving, this shiny look. Yes, it's glittering. Yes, and I love it. It's so cute. Seriously, every of her outfits same finishing. This one, all of them has this hook and a zip. Yes, so perfect. And I will always tell her, if you are making clothes for me, add allowance. I will always tell her that, and she did in all both the tops, the tops and the trousers. She added allowance, and these are not all the clothes she's making for me. She's making for me a whole lot of outfits. She's making for me is really much. She's making all these gowns for outing, for occasion. Then she's also making trousers, some trousers and more tops, then gowns again. So she is much. It's a mass production she's doing for me, and she just, it was what it